So I just arrived at Edinburgh Airport. And we're going outside and I'm going to get the bus into the city centre. Well, I'm going to go to the main railway station. And so we come out departures. Sorry, we come out the exit there and we're on our way to the main. So you can get a bus or you can get the tram, whatever's the quickest, whatever arrives first. So a single's £10 and it returns 11. That's on the bus. So so there's the buses. Just as you come out you can get a bus, but I'm going to go for a tram. I don't know why I'm going to go for a tram, but I am. So the tram stops a little bit further down. Not bad weather here today. It's the 8th of August and the year is 2023. Welcome to Edinburgh, where men wear skirts and kilts. Well, some of them. It's a bit like clogs, they don't wear them in Holland no more. So this is Edinburgh Airport. So it's very deceiving, Edinburgh Airport. I think it would be small, but it's quite a big airport. There it is, Special Assistance Reception. So Airling £5.50, open return £8. I nearly said €1 because I've been in the country with use of the euro and you get sort of used to it, don't you? So there's zones A, B and C and D. So I'm playing this by ear. So buses 100 go to the airport, sorry, to the city centre, and I think it's Waverley railway station. That's the main railway station in the city centre. So the bus will stop various places on the way, or the metro. Let's have a peep what's outside here. So you've got taxis and there's the buses, right? And trams to the city centre. Sorry, it's not called the metro, it's called the tram. So this is the tram to the city centre. And there seems to be one there. And so as I say, you can either get the bus, single £5.50, open return £8, or the tram, which is here, trams to the city centre. So a lot of people are going for the bus. I want to go by tram. So there's you can buy a ticket there, look. Buy your tram ticket online, Edinburgh, right? Multi-ticket tram, staying for a few days. So there it is, 3 days travel £18, 4 days 20, 5 days 22, and here's the entrance into the station. So there it is, we'll leave it there. Thanks for watching, and put a like for me if you will. Cheers.